Okay, so here's my Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8. Right now it is in the upside down landscape mode in like the typing orientation with the kickstand popped out. So if I press on the top volume button, the volume increases. And if I press on the bottom volume button, the volume decreases. If I flip this thing over, it reorients itself. And if I press the top volume button in this orientation, the volume increases. And if I press the bottom volume button, the volume decreases. That is pretty awesome attention to detail. I have never had a tablet before, or any device for that matter, where if you have it in one landscape orientation, the volume buttons are logical, but you have it in the other landscape orientation, the volume buttons are still logical, and function corresponds to their position at the moment, top versus bottom. However, this attention to detail is not carried on into the speaker system, because you can see I was having a looking at a stereo test in the YouTube app. This is the left speaker and this is the right speaker. And when it's in this orientation with the Lenovo logo right side up, left channel comes out of the left speaker, right channel comes out of the right speaker. However, if I flip it around to the typing orientation, left channel comes out of this speaker, right channel comes out of this speaker. So even though the volume buttons flip, the speakers do not flip.